welcome back, guys, to Mama Joan house where it's hot. And when I said hot, you know what I mean, guys, it hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, you know December, Christmas are come, and just around the corner with the next couple of weeks, and it's vlogmas time or vlogmas time or whatever them call it. But you don't know Mama Joan enough, so she have to in the vlogmas business or the vlogmas business, whatever it is, she have to in it. You understand me? So guys, what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna make a tart. You know, this is one of my Christmas dessert, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. But before I get into the dessert making, guys, I want to know to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell things of mine, so you don't miss a post when I post a video, guys. So like, subscribe, and share. You understand me, my friends and the family? So guys, for the tart, I'm gonna go into the ingredients, guys, for the tart. What I'm gonna make, I'm going to use to make the sauce, which is the filling. I'm gonna use 1.5 cup of brown sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla. This is optional. This is like a puree, some fruits that I have soaking in the wine. So I use 4 tablespoons of this. It's optional. You don't have to use it if you don't have any, but it's very delicious with it in it. Have a little bit of, you know, adult liqueur in there, so it makes the tart even nicer. You understand? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna make my filling, which I'm gonna use my mixer and mix out my egg for my filling, and then I'm gonna do it step by step and show you as I go along. And then for my nuts now, here for my nuts, this is what I'm gonna put in the tart. I have a 1/4 cup of cranberry, cashew nuts with black pepper and sea salt. I have a 1/4 cup of yellow, a 1/4 cup of walnut, a 1/4 cup of pecan, and a 1/4 cup of almonds. So all of these nuts I'm gonna put into my tart. So guys, so now I'm gonna beat my egg with my you could use if it does have a electric mixer, you could just use a whisk, but I don't have no time for use no whisk right now. I'm gonna beat this out a bit, get it a little bit of fluff inside of it, you know. Then I'm gonna throw my 1.5 cup of sugar in there. I have 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla. Pour it in there, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Wow, this looks good. And I'm gonna put a 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. This is lily white corn syrup. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of corn syrup in there also. Then I'm gonna whisk everything now together. So look at it, look at how it is, guys. This is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna go get my pie crust, because what I do, guys, I went to the store. I didn't bother make the crust. I just went to the store and buy some like a small pie crust. So that's what I'm going to use. So but before I get the crust, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut up the cranberries. I'm gonna slice them up, like just make them a little bit smaller. Yeah, let's make them a little bit smaller for the cranberries. You know, cut them in a two. Same thing for the cashews. Cranberry, same thing for the cashew. Just chop it a little bit. The walnut already chopped, so I don't have to chop the walnut, but I just need to chop the cashews them a little bit. Okay. And the pecans, can chop the pecans too. The pecans them a little chop too, because them can take a chop too. Because you know they are big. If you want them big in there, you can put them big. If you want, just cut them in a two. But I like when them kind of chop up a little bit. Them go around longer because I'm making 12 tart. Okay guys. So this is this. I'm sure how me do it. So I'm gonna get those ones from in the fridge. So here is the shell, them that I'm using, guys. So for the shell, I just went to the store and I bought this at the store. They already made these ones. Okay, so when you take them out, this is what they look like. Already pre-made. Okay, I work with that, it's easier for me. So now I gotta pour my sauce in. Oh guys, before I pour my sauce in, as I said, this is optional if you wanted to use it. I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons of this. This is the mixed fruit. So I like when it's in there. I totally forgot it a while ago. So I'm gonna use 4 tablespoons of it in there. Just put 3. Just put 3 in there. 3 is good. Just use this and mix it out, because I already threw out the thing already from the blend, the mixer. So use this and mix it out. So guys, this is what the consistency have to be like. This is what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour it in my cup. Nice, rich and thick, nice body. So now I'm gonna use this now. So I'm gonna fill up the shell, fill up the tart shells, not all the way up to the brim though, because you don't want it to run over when it starts to cook. That go bubble up. So just fill it, not all the way. Leave enough space to put your nuts and your fruits in there. Okay. So I'm finished filling up my shells. So now I'm just gonna put my toppings in. I'm gonna do the raisin first. So I'm gonna put 2 raisins in each one. 2 raisins in each one. 2 raisins in each one. 2, 2, 2. Start with 2, and then as times go, if you want to put more than 2, you know, you can add as much fruit as you want in there, as much raisin, as much cranberry you want in there. So I'm gonna put 2 first to start, and then I'm gonna do 3 just to see how it is. And it's gonna, everything is gonna sink to the bottom. You can put another 2 in them. So that's the raisins. So now I'm gonna do the walnut. Same thing. Then I'm gonna do the cashew. I bought this cashew at Giant Tiger. It's sea salt and black pepper on the cashew, but give it a nice kick, you know, a nice flavor to go with it. So I'm putting in that now. Put that in there. I'm just taking up as much can hold in my 5 fingers. Yeah, put that inside of there. So enough. Everybody gets some cashew. Yep. As I said, I use a 1/4 cup, and a 1/4 cup just do everything. Now I'm gonna put the pecans in. Just press it down a little bit with your finger. Just press it a little bit with your finger so that it go down in the bottom. I chop them up, but them still in some big pieces. But that's okay still. It still work. Still work anyway. And as I said, I use a 1/4 cup, so you have enough to put in it. Everybody gets some pecan. And then to top it off now, I put the shredded almonds go on top. Oh, this is well loaded. This is this is a very good, nice, delicious dessert for Christmas. This is for my Christmas brunch. Yeah. And you put your oven at 350 and you bake it for 25 minutes to a half an hour till the crust get golden brown. Okay, guys. Just pat it down a little bit so that everything go inside of it. So guys, here is my tart. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now, okay, for it to bake. Oven preheated. So I put that there, guys. So what I've done, I have already make one batch already. So I am going to show you what it looked like, the first batch that I made already. So guys, this is what it looked like for the first batch that I make. I hope you can see. So there you go, guys. That is the first batch that I made. So guys, you see the first batch that I made. So guys, now I come to the end of my video with my pecan, raisin, walnuts and cranberry tart. So guys, like, subscribe and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. And I will see you in my next vlog, guys, because it's Christmas time and my time of year is this. So bye, guys.